another exciting month. From our science fair to term exams, Nirmala Public School proved that we have not let this pandemic bring us down. Let's find out what's happening. I'm Flora Divagis of 8 Day. Welcome to NPSN News. Let's have a quick look at the headlines. A Guide to a Bright Future. Career Guidance Webinar for 11th and 12th by career trainer and counselor Mr. James Sebastian. My Voice, Our Equal Future. Science Department celebrated International Girl Child Day. Half-yearly assessment. First term exams have begun for classes 5 to 9. Grow, nourish, sustain. Together, our actions are our future. School's Department of Science celebrated World Food Day. Science Club. Logo officially launched on 19th October. October 31st. Nirmala family celebrated Kerala Piravi. My definition of happiness. 7th grade Nupra Krishna participated in the competition, won first prize. Extending curricular knowledge into practical science. Science fair inauguration and message by Dr. Radhu S. The Rosary is the storehouse of countless blessings. The Nirmalites pray the Rosary starting October 22nd, the feast day of John Paul II, for 10 days till October 31st. Now, let's get to the news in details.
Welcome back to Nirmala News. I'm Narita George of Class 8D here to give you the details of this month's news. A career guidance webinar was conducted on the 3rd of October for the students of classes 11 and 12. The resource person was Sri James Sebastian, a teacher of economics at Jarma Higher Secondary School, Tattekad. He is a career trainer and a counselor who is actively engaged in career orientation classes. The first terminal examinations of the students of classes 5 to 9 began on the 5th of October. Students studied hard and wrote their exams through the online learning platform. The answer papers were later submitted to the school following COVID-19 protocol. The International Day of the Girl Child was celebrated this year with the theme My Voice, Our Equal Future on the 11th of October. The World Food Day, which is globally celebrated on the 16th of October every year, was celebrated this year by the Science Department of our school. The Science Department conducted a culinary section for the students of lower grades. The students actively participated in making salads, variety juices and snacks. The theme of this year's World Food Day is Grow, Nourish, Sustain. Together, our actions are the future. Our school encourages the students to experiment, understand and learn various things. One of the main ways through which this is done is through the science fair that is conducted once in a year. This year it was conducted on the 17th of October. Dr. Radhu S., an assistant professor of physics at Nirmala College, Moattabuzha, inaugurated the science fair and gave the message. Students actively participated in the events that were conducted on that day despite the existing pandemic situation. The usual events such as numismatics, fleetly, antiques, steel model and working model were conducted as usual. But this time there were some new events such as flower garden, vegetable garden, fish pond, bottle art, etc. The students performed in a wonderful manner and bagged many prizes. The programs were conducted efficiently and the prizes were awarded on the 29th of October.
Special awards. Nobara Krishna of Class 7 participated in an international virtual competition conducted by the team It's OK Towards Mental Wellness on October 10th. She acquired first prize in the competition. Launching of Science Club logo. The logo of Science Club was released on October 19, 2020. The vision of the Science Club of Nirmala Public School is to increase the scientific literacy and application of science in daily life. The Science Club is working efficiently under Mrs. Shaila C.R., the president of the Science Club. Emil Kurian of Class 10 and Gauri Nandana of Class 11 represent the senior section. Dia Jani of Class 8 and Abhinandanish of Class 6 represent the middle school section. Ishan Mahadev of Class 4 and Lakshmi Santosh of Class 4 represent the junior section. Father Matthew Amandekal, the chairman of the Science Club and the principal of Nirmala Public School, officially launched the logo of the Science Club.
To all my dear teachers and students of the Nirmala Public School, I am very happy to see that the Science Department of school has formed a science club in order to develop the scientific attitude and aptitude in the minds of students. On this day, when we released the logo of Science Club of Nirmala Public School, I appreciate all the teachers and student representatives of Science Club who are being guided by Shaila CR, the head of the department. I officially hereby release the logo of Science Club of our school.
Holy Rosary for 10 days. From October 22, the feast day of John Paul II, Nirmala Public School started conducting Rosary for the students in order to increase the faith and love towards Mother Mary. The students from class 5 to 12 conducted the Rosary for 10 days, that is from October 22 to October 31. Kerala Piravi celebrations. Kerala 2020. On 31st October, the students and teachers of Class 8 organized Kerala Piravi celebrations. K. Raghunathan sir, the famous novelist and the winner of Kerala Sahitya Academy Award, delivered beautiful messages. Other dignitaries, Vaishakhan sir, the president of Kerala Sahitya Academy, and T.K. Shankaranayan sir, the famous novelist, also conveyed beautiful messages. Different competitions were conducted for various classes. The students participated in every program actively. The results of the competitions were announced during the celebrations. The celebrations were made colorful with various programs performed by the students of Class 8. The programs does not come to an end here. Now let's have a quick look on the activities done by the angels of our junior section.
Hi everyone, let's review the main activities of our primary section during October 2020. Our school activities also serve to infuse fun into learning as well as bolster students' confidence and ability to think critically. Nirmala Primary Section organized various events during this month. I am Tabassum Sajid of Class 4. Let's rewind the main activities of October. Gandhi Jayanti was celebrated on October 2nd, commemorating the birth anniversary of great Mahatma Gandhi,
Who had played an important role in India's
National Day of Non-Violence. World Postal Day was celebrated on October 9. Every year, International Day of Girl Child is observed on 11th of October across the world to raise concern about the voices and rights of girls everywhere. National Students' Day was celebrated on October 15th, commemorating the birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. This year, the World Food Day 2020 theme is Grow, Nourish and Sustain. Together, our actions are our future. October 16th. Science exhibition was organized for the students of class 3 and 4. Charts, working models and useful things out of waste were made by children.
Pollution is due to the chemicals and microorganisms.
Flood. A flood is an overflow of water.
That's all for now, and we'll be catching up with you next month. Till then, it's me, Florati Verghese, signing off from NPSM News.